Now in the following circle, O is the center, so you can see that O is the center of the circle. Here. Name a radius, one radius and a diameter. Okay, I want all of you to follow my answer. If your answer is different, change it. One radius, I'll use OA. If you did not use OA, change it to OA. Now, no, we always start from naming from the center to the side. OA. I'm giving you the chance to change now if you do not have the same answer. Okay, right, and a diameter, in this case, very simple, it must pass through the center from one edge to the other edge. And you can see is AB. Do not ask me for BA, I want it to be in alphabetical order. Okay, OA is for radius. Can you see? OA, no, it's different because now we are naming the radius. So normally naming the radius, right, we'll start from the center to the edge. Okay, so we'll name it as either OA, OB, or OE. But in our case, we are just standardized, we will put OA as the answer. Okay? Then for diameter, right, because this is length, this is not angle, we will not say AOB. We will not say AOB because this is not an angle. Okay? We will just name it as AB. We will not name it as BA. Do you understand, Jing Kai? Anyone has any questions so far? Okay, let's move on to the next page. Okay, in the circle, O is the center. You are supposed to draw a radius. Not very hard to draw a radius. Okay, just draw from the center outwards to the side. Okay, and you are supposed to measure the radius. If I'm not wrong, the radius is 2 cm. So just write it, right? 2. Okay, next part. In the circle, X is the center. You are supposed to draw a diameter. That means you are supposed to draw a line through the center, right? Okay, draw a line through the center. My line is not very well drawn. You can see it missed the center by a little bit. Okay, because it's kind of hard to draw on the computer, but yours should be better. And in this case, if you measure the diameter properly, you should not have a decimal place. It's 6 cm. Okay, 6 cm. Did all of you get a 6 cm? Okay, if you get 6.2, please measure again. Okay, you must pass through the center. Next question. Okay, for this question, you are supposed to draw a radius and draw a diameter. So let's draw our radius first. Radius, quite easy done. Draw from the center to the side. Okay, I didn't draw it too well. Again. Okay, so this is the radius. Okay, when you measure your radius, what's the radius? 5 cm, very good. Okay, then let's draw our diameter. Our diameter must pass through the center as well. Okay, and if our radius is 5, if you draw it correctly, it should be 10 cm. Anyone has any problem so far? Okay, if you have drawn the radius and diameter differently at a different angle from mine, is fine. Okay, but that's the main idea. Okay, next question. Now, this is the first time you come across the word, the plural form of radius, right? Yeah, radii. So you are supposed to name all of them. So easiest if you start from the center. Okay, that's why I always recommend you to start from the center. Okay, you look how it moves outwards. Okay, so we have actually a few of them. Okay, 1, Okay, I use different colors so that you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 5 different lines, right? Oh yeah, there's a 6. Yes, I actually missed out on a 6. Okay, so I don't have enough colors, so I'm going to reuse some of the colors, okay? So, yeah, okay, so we actually have 6 of them. Okay, if you start from the center, okay, you will see 6 of them. And how to name it? Okay, for consistency, start from OA, then comma, OE, OF, OG, OK, and OJ. Okay? Yeah. This, you know what is called systematic listing or not in mathematics? Okay? Right? That's why I start from A, E, F, G, K, J. Okay? This is how you do your work systematically during mathematics. Okay? How you practice, how you do it during exam. So, name, are you done with the radii? Yes, Clarence? Ernest cannot see? You mean you cannot see? Can see or cannot see? Ernest can see or not? Okay. Okay, now let's look at the diameter, okay? Okay, looking at the diameter, we'll start from one end to another. Start from one end to the other. And is there any more diameter? No, right? Correct. So we have AG, and the next one will be EJ. Any problems? So far so good? All these we are doing it together, right? You are writing it down, right? Okay, very good. If it's homework, I'll tell you. All these are very simple, so I don't need you to do it as homework. We can do it together. Okay, now, for the first blank, Leroy, tell me what's the answer? 8 cm, very good. Please, children, take note of the units, because some of them is in cm here and some of them is in meters. Do you understand or not? Colin Al, tell me what's the next answer here? 7 meters, very good. Ryan, tell me what's the next answer? What? 2.5 cm. Okay, so remember, Lauren, are you writing it down? Then the next one, Kathleen. 12.8 cm, good. Elliot, what's the last one? 5.65 meters, good. Okay, please take note of the units. Right, I say again, please take note of the units. Okay, please be very careful. Okay, let's look at the next question. Now, when it comes, this is the part that you are supposed to do as homework for me. You should stop doing it together in class. So you just pay attention. Please put down your pens. Okay, this is the part that you should be doing as homework to recap. Sky, are you ready? Okay, now, we are supposed to find the circumference of each circle. Okay, but now you can see that in this question, right, they did tell you that your pi you must use 22 over 7. Okay, now I want you to use your calculator. You key in 22 over 7 and then convert it to a decimal. 22 over 7. Can you see that it's very close to the value of pi as well? Okay, so pi sometimes, right, can take in the form of the calculator pi. Sometimes they'll ask you in terms of pi equals to 3.14. And sometimes they'll tell you pi you will use 22 over 7. So you must read the question carefully. What pi are they asking for? Do you understand? Okay, Jingjie, tell me what's the first pi they can ask you? 22 over 7. Okay, Sky, what's the next pi they can ask? 3.14. And Jingkai, what's the third pi they can ask? I'm actually known to be a very, very clear teacher. Very, very clear. I'm not known to mix a lot of rubbish in my classroom talk. Alexis, tell me what's the third pi? Calculator value of pi. Do you understand or not? 3 pi's. Tell me the first pi, Kaden. One of the options is 22 over 7. Elliot, tell me the other one. Calculator value of pi. And Leroy, tell me a third. 3.14. Understand? Okay, so the question, they will tell you which one to use. So you must take note of what they say in the question. Like for example, in this question, they say you use 22 over 7. Okay? Later we will look at some questions, they will ask us to use 3.14. Let's say during exam, they never tell you use 3.14 or 22 over 7. What? No. You must always use the calculator pi. If the question did not state whether to use 22 over 7 or 3.14, you cannot raise your hand and ask the teacher, teacher, which one should I use? The teacher will not tell you, okay? As long as the question did not state, okay, which pi should you use, Adriana? Calculator pi. Understand? Okay, please remember. Okay, so since this question they have stated, we want to find the circumference. And what is the formula for the circumference? Can we? Okay, circumference equals to pi times diameter. So, all I need you to do is to write down pi. No need to write down now. All your working, you must have pi multiplied by d. Okay, you cannot immediately write pi multiplied by 14. I want to see the formula first before you substitute in the value. Do you understand? I want to see this first. Dara. Okay, so in this case, then we'll change our pi, right? 22 over 7, because they want us to solve in terms of 22 over 7, right? Multiply by 14. So for this question, can I do fraction reduction first? I can, right? Because 7 and 14, right? So I know that I can put a 1, I can put a 2. So I know that in the end I get 44. Okay? So remember, write ANS 44 cm. Yes, take note of the units. Sometimes it's cm, sometimes it's meters. Okay, let's look at the next question. Also, pi multiplied by diameter. You don't need to spell the whole word diameter, okay? You just need to put D. Okay, but I need to see the formula. Pi times D. Okay, yes, Colin Chi. What is he talking about? It's an approximation of pi. It's not exactly pi. Yes. Right what? I just told you write D, right? I told you not. Yes. Do not spell diameter out. You don't have so much time, okay? Just write pi multiplied by D. Understand or not? Yes, Dylan? Okay, later we will have some calculator pi example. So don't worry, later we'll see some calculator pi example, okay? So let's focus on this first. Next, again, we write down a formula pi times D and we change it to 22 over 7 multiplied by 21. Okay, again, fraction reduction 1 and 3, I get 66. So answer 66 cm. Anyone has any questions so far? Yes? I didn't know. Ken? I'm going to move on. Okay, now, are we given the diameter for this question? No. So, since we are not given the diameter, I need to use my radius, right? And then that means I need to use the other formula, right? For circumference. So, we use my 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. Yes or no? Ken? So far so good? So then I substitute my 2 in. My pi is 22 over 7. My radius is 7, right? Correct? Okay. Fraction reduction 1, 1. Correct? Yes, only 2 times 22 is 44. So answer 44 meters. Very good. It's meters. Take note. Meters. Not cm. 44 meters. Hey, did I ask you to use your calculator, Ernest? Need to check. This one simple calculation need to check. Next question. Okay, Leroy, tell me what's the formula to use. Leroy, you live in another planet, is it? We are here, how long already? We are on planet Earth, come on. Stop dreaming, can or not, Leroy? Forget it, Leroy. Lauren, tell the class. 2 times pi times r. Okay, 2 times pi times r. And you know that this question we are using pi as? Yes, because right in front they are written down as 22 over 7. Okay, you multiply by 28. Okay, reduction again, 1, 4. So you got 2 times 22 give you 44, right? 44 times 4 give you 176. Good. So answer is 176 cm. Very good. It's cm this time round. Please take note of the units. Okay, so just now, right, all along for the past few questions, our pi, we use what type of pi, Alexis? 22 over 7, right? But now you can see from question 3, what is our pi, Brendan? We are using 3.14, right? Okay, so formula unchanged. You can see that I use pi multiplied by A. Leroy, what formula now? Jack, please don't be a busybody. You sure or not? Not the radius. Are you sure this is not called radius? You sure? What is that called? Are you sure? Are you sure it's not called circumference? Huh? Diameter? Okay. So pi times diameter. So Leroy, pi use what? 3.14. Okay. Multiply your diameter is 30. Can someone please calculate it for me? 60. Who's the 94.2 Okay. So this one you don't do round off because this question they never ask you to what? Correct to 1 decimal place, correct to 2 decimal place. As long they never say correct to how many decimal place you do not act smart and do the rounding off yourself. Do you understand or not? If there's 3 decimal place, you write down 3. If there's 4, you write down 4. Okay, I haven't even write ANS. Okay, so write down ANS. 94.2 cm. Next question. Sky, tell me the formula. Pi times what? Times diameter. So is what's your pi, Sky? 3.14 multiplied by 44.5. Ernest, what's the answer? Sorry? 1, 3, 9. Do you all agree with Ernest's answer? So ANS 139.73 what? cm. Okay, now we are only given the radius. So Xuan Wei, tell me what's the formula? Okay, good. So 2 times, what's my pi, Xuan Wei?
Your pi is 3.14.
Okay, what's the answer, Xuan Wei?
Oh, okay, hold on.
75.36. 75.36. Okay, good. Okay. Jingkang, tell me what's the next step? Next question. 2 times pi times radius, right? So equals to 2 times what? Times 3.14 times equals to what? $216.66. Are you sure it's just 216.66? cm, remember. Do you all verify whether his answer is correct or wrong, or you just blindly copying down his answer? Okay, please remember to check. Okay, your friends are definitely unreliable. Okay, I can tell you for certainty they are unreliable. Okay, so that's They got say what? What do you want to say? This one ah? This one? This one? I know ah. Okay. Now question 5A. Okay. 5A. Kaylin, which formula should I use? So I must use pi times diameter. So now, in this case, column G, what's my pi? What do you mean it's just pi? Apple pie or banana pie? The Chinese pie. How does Chinese pie taste like? Never taste before. Chinese pie? You mean there's a person in this class called Chinese pie? Calculator pie. Don't tell me Chinese pie, ah. All your fault lah, Beyond. What Chinese? Look like Chinese word. Okay, so remember, if this is calculator pie, hey, pay attention, ah. You will not key in your calculator, then you write what 3.14 blah 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 blah. No, ah. If it's calculator pie, maintain it. Then just times 17. Do you understand or not? Okay, but when it comes to calculation, you're keying the pi into your calculator, multiply by 17, understand or not? Pi in the calculator, multiply by 17. Okay, tell me what's the answer. Okay, because we need to round off to one decimal place, right? 50. Okay, so answer 53.4 cm. Children, remember write one decimal place, huh? Okay, because the question requires you to leave as one decimal place. It's stated clearly there. So remember. Yes, Clarence? No need to write that lah. What for? Okay, anyone has any problems so far? No, then we'll look at the next question. Okay, Jingjie, tell me what's the next step? Okay, so the formula you use is 2 times pi times radius. But in this case, what's your pi, Jingjie? Calculator pi, you know, right? It's calculator pi. Times 4.5. So, Jingjie, tell me what's the answer? 28.3. 28.3 only. cm only. No need to write 1 dp. Need to write or not? Jingjie, need to write or not? One decimal place. Please write down one decimal place. It's written in the question, what? The noise level getting a bit higher. Okay, question 6. Now, okay, you are not just given the radius and diameter. Just now we are just playing with radius and diameter, right? Now they give you the reverse. They give you, now they also give you diameter, and you are supposed to find the circumference of a Ferris wheel. You are given diameter. So actually, what's the formula you are supposed to use? You mean I pronounced the name wrongly, Dylan? I asking Ashley, what's wrong? Sorry? Okay, so we are using pi multiplied by diameter. But in this case, Ashley, what is my pi? 1D, don't be a busybody here. And my diameter is this. Okay, since 1D, you're such a busybody, can I do fraction reduction here?
Yes.
Tell me, what can I reduce it to? 1 and 12, right? So, 22 multiplied by 12, what do I get? 1D. Two six four, right? Huh? Is it 264? Yes or no? Or is it wrong? So 264. So answer 264 meters. Okay. Next question. You are supposed to find the circumference of a circular pond of radius 96 cm. Correct your answer to the nearest centimeter. Correct to the nearest centimeter. Okay, right? So, Colin F, tell me what's the working? Equals to Lauren, what's the answer? Sorry? What's the answer? Do you all get 602.88?
Yes.
Is that the final answer? So you need to correct, so you need to put an approximate sign, right? So nearest centimeter. Okay, nearest centimeter. Sky, what's the nearest centimeter? Don't be a busybody, the rest of you. What? Nearest centimeter. Cannot round off, very dangerous already. Hey, Ernest. Xuan Wei. Xuan Wei just tell me it's 602.9. It's nearest centimeter. It's too late. By that time, you already minus how many marks during exam? Did they say one decimal place or not? When they say nearest centimeter, what does it mean? Nearest what? Whole number, right? Nearest whole number. Okay, Kaylin. Got pay attention or not? Nearest centimeter means what? Kaylin. There's no decimal place means what? Nearest what? Round off to nearest what? Nearest whole number lah. Okay, so it's 603. But when you write 603, you must write nearest centimeter, right? So 603. Okay? Can please be very yeah, sorry, I forgot to write units here. Okay?